How to filter restaurant by cuisine. You can filter restaurant by cuisine using a search bar or a menu on the platform like Google Map as well. Or if you want to filter restaurant by cuisine on Zomato, then you need to follow these steps. So basically, you need to have a Zomato app installed to your device. Also, make sure that you already have an account. So to filter restaurant by cuisine on Zomato, first perform a general search. So open up your Zomato app, and then you could do the general search. Then use a filter menu. So I'm gonna look for any sort of dish example. This. So now you could click on the filter and then you could go ahead and look for these sections. So you could go ahead and filter it or sort it out by any sort of restaurant, something like that. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and filter restaurant by cuisine as well. After the initial result appears, locate the filter option, typically displayed as an expandable list of sides of the screen. You can also select cuisine within the filter find the section for cuisine or type of food, and then you could also choose your preferences, select one or more cuisine from the provided list of narrowed down in the result. And the search result will automatically update to show only restaurants that matches your desire or selected cuisine. So this way you'll be able to filter a restaurant by cuisine. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.